Welcome to another video on this channel. In this one, we talk about how to compress video without losing quality on your iPhone. So first of all, the act of compressing videos literally means that you lower the quality, but let me show you how you can keep the video really just watchable and still have it like a smaller size. So you need to download a video compressor app from the App Store. I like to use this one with this like blue logo. So when you get inside of the app, you have essentially the ability to choose from any of the videos in your gallery. And there you can choose the different sliders to adjust the video quality and to lower it. So both can be set to 100%, which essentially keeps the original video as it is, but you can decide that you are going to lower the video dimensions a little bit and the frame rate a little bit. So for instance, if you have a video shot at 60 FPS, you can lower it down to 30 and still the video is going to be watchable. It's going to be good enough, but it's going to be smaller and it will take less of your space. Similarly, when you have a 30 FPS video, you can lower it down to 24, and this will again still keep the video watchable and of good enough quality, but it doesn't make or take up so much space anymore. Naturally, there are more apps for video compression if you wish to explore more, but I like to have this one, so let me know below in the comments if you like the video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.